Sneaky Fox, what's inside the shopping box? Sneaky Fox, what's inside the shopping box? Down the cobblestones, quiet as a leaf, a velvet nose wiggles, he's a fuzzy thief. Past the wooden stalls where the red apples lie, a giant carton waits, catching his eye. Sneaky Fox, what's inside the shopping box? Sneaky Fox, what's inside the shopping box? With a paw so soft, he nudges the top. A little crinkle sound, he starts to hop. Not a crumb of bread, not a piece of cheese, but a pair of yellow boots swaying in the breeze. Sneaky Fox, what's inside the shopping box? Sneaky Fox, what's inside the shopping box? One box, two boxes, piled to the sky. He walks on his tiptoes, he is very sly. What could be hidden? What could be there? He holds his breath and he starts to stare. Up pops a pillow, soft and quite round. He rolls on his belly, right to the ground. With a giggle in his throat and a glint in his gaze, he finds a silly hat lost in the maze. Sneaky Fox, what's inside the shopping box? Sneaky Fox, inside. The sun dips down, the fox trots home through the crowd. The market is sleepy, the sun dips down. The fox after box, a mystery found, safe in his